What really happens when sustainable crops are grown across modern American farms? Here's a clear look inside the process. It all begins with soil health. American farmers test, rotate, and enrich the soil to improve yield and maintain long-term sustainability. Advanced U.S. planting machinery places corn and wheat seeds with accuracy, reducing waste and improving field efficiency. Throughout the season, farmers monitor water usage, apply natural fertilizers, and use eco-friendly pest control methods. As crops develop, sustainable practices help protect soil structure, prevent erosion, and support continuous annual production. Modern American harvesters collect crops with speed and precision, minimizing losses and preserving quality for processing. The harvested grain moves into large U.S. silos, where it's dried, stored, and processed using energy-efficient equipment. Workers load the grain into transport trucks. This system ensures fast, reliable delivery across the country and global markets. Sustainable farms help conserve water, reduce chemical dependency, and support healthy biodiversity across American farmland. Farmers use computer-based monitoring systems to automate irrigation, track crop health, and forecast yields with accuracy. U.S. farms support local jobs, strengthen rural communities, and keep the national food supply reliable and consistent. This is how sustainable agriculture in the United States keeps food production efficient, stable, and environmentally responsible. Subscribe to Horizon Agro Farms for more insights into American farming and sustainable agriculture.